Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I use multiple planners. I never thought that I would be that person. I always wondered, how do people manage multiple planners? Now, there are some people that I see that their plans seem redundant because they have like a pretty planner and then they have another planner that they carry on the go because of the different sizes. To each their own when it comes to planning. The systems that I have in place are not only pretty, but they're also super functional. So I hope that you guys will be able to take something away from this video. If you guys would like to see my 2019 planner lineup in general, check out that link in the description box. And I do have separate videos on each and every one of these planners, which I'll have linked for you guys as well. So let's start off with my daily planner. This is the planner that I use every single day. To be honest, sometimes I bring it out the house with me, sometimes I don't. But it's all good. So this is a B6 Stylogy. I absolutely love the concept of the bullet journal because I am able to not only put my plans in here, but any notes I may have, any journaling that I want to do, I have the space to do that. So how I decorated mine is that I put some patches and some stickers on the outside cover. A lot of people do put washi tape here, and then a lot of people get the cover to go over it. But I like how chunky this is getting. That's another reason why I like the bullet journal. And it looks really, it's gonna look really nice on my shelf once it's all filled up. But just, this is something I can throw in any bag that I have, whether I'm carrying a book bag at the moment, my purse, my planner bag, whatever. I can put this inside of there, and I don't care if it gets beat up. It's not that big of a deal. But it's been holding up very well since I started using it in mid-December. Then across the top, I have these Post-it tabs, and it says monthly, weekly, and daily. And then on the side, I have January through April, excuse me. I plan on using this until June, but we'll see how that goes. And I do have a video on how I set up March and April for you guys to check out as well. So I added some pockets to make this better for me to use. I added some pockets. These are my sisters. I added some pockets back here. This is a Container Store pocket on the front and back cover. This is a Post-it pocket. I have stickers in here. Let's see what kind of stickers. I have E. Michelle. I have Lily Sky Dreams. I have Moxie Chick Studio. Did I say Fox and Pip? But I have some Fox and Pip. And then over here I have Inspire Ever After. So that's like pretty much the stickers that I have with me on the go. I also have another one here with my mom, my favorite picture of me and my mom, and then my nephews. Another thing with this is that I have been planning daily. I've been loving it. When I first started in December, I was going with like that Hobo Weeks kind of vibe, and I would put Monday through Sunday over here, and then I would put my running to-do list. It did work, but since I have the space to do daily, I don't do that anymore. Now, to add in a weekly overview, what I do, I'll go to this current week. Where is it at? What I do is use this Target list pad. A lot of people use these for meal planning. I just trim the top off a little bit so it'll fit. I use some transparent tape that bad boy in, and just like that, I have my week at a glance. Now, I just write in what I want to get done, anything that I may need to transfer to the future months. Not every day has something written in, but this is where I come and I look, and these are the first things I put into my daily page. So the sticker book that I've been loving at the moment, it's a Happy Planner sticker book, of course, but anyway, it's this Colorful Boxes one. I thought that I loved the journaling sticker one more, but this one is just, I love it. And the color scheme, you can basically do a spread with any, it's just, it works for any kind of planner. That's what I love about stickers, is that you can make them work for any kind of planner that you have. So that's how I plan inside of here. As for my month in general, how I set it up, I put a month at a glance. this. Then I have my month here. I'm able to write in my paydays anytime I have my nephews. I'm able to put in my goals. That's something I do every single month, and any other events going on. And then I go and I number the pages generally. Now for April, I have a lot going on, and one of the big things is that I'm going to WrestleMania. So what I went and did was, for that weekend, I made 2-page spreads, and then I made these little window things here, and I'm able to write in how my day is going, anything I need to get done, and be able to journal. So for March, because I went and numbered 1 through 31, if I want to add anything else, just like I added in this weekly, I will tape in anything else that I want. But I did give myself that space in April, and going forward in my bullet journal, I will leave a few more spaces in between and take it day by day. This way, if I want to add more, I have the luxury to do so. So that is my everyday planner. This is the one that gets the most love, the most attention, because I use it on a daily basis. Now, do I need any of my other planners? I do. I really do, because I have things separate in there, and I have things in here that I wouldn't necessarily put in here. But if there is something that I need to transfer over and I just like wrote it on a sticky note, then I'll put that in here with no problem. Now, my other 3 planners are my faith planner, my business planner, and my budget planner. I'm gonna start off with the bottom one. My budget planner gets a lot of love. This is something that I would not bring out of my house. I also don't like having my financial stuff, because this is a complete financial breakdown, in my bullet journal. So that's just like, and I kind of get the best of both worlds though, because I'm still able to use the system that I love, the Happy Planner, and be able to take the pages in and out how I want to, but I don't have to carry this size, around. Because when I started planning in 2015, when I got my first Happy Planner, there was not a mini at the time. There wasn't the big one at the time. It was just this. This is not something that I would carry around on a regular basis. But it worked. It worked. I have plenty of videos where I was planning with stickers. My planning style has tremendously changed. But I love this. This is the Happy Planner Budget Extension Pack. And how I have it is just separated from January to June in here. And then I have divided it so that I'll be able to create my own dividers and put July through December when I want to. And this is actually an Erin Condren cover that I hole punched, because I was using it as a sticker book cover, then I was using it as a notebook cover, but now it's my budget planner cover. So that's that. And in the back I have stickers. I have Christian Design stickers, but I don't really use a lot of stickers. I do have the budget planner stickers, but the budget planner stickers are really going to come in handy when I have to modify my system a little bit, because I don't think I'm going to buy another budget extension pack. I really don't think I am. I'm going to work with what I have, and I'll be able to manage. So I wanted to try out the budget extension pack though, because I needed a little bit more structure as I am taking this financial journey. So that is why I got it. But that is how I use my budget planner in a nutshell. If you guys would like more information on how I use this, check out my low income budget series. So, but that is what this bad boy is for. I'm not eliminating this one. All right, my business planner. Now, I put a lot of things that I want to get done for my brand inside of my Stylogy, but that's just like a to-do list. This I'm able to schedule, I'm able to draft, I'm able to write notes, I'm able to mark what works, what didn't work, and I have 3 different ventures that I'm working on all inside of here. And this is a plum paper planner. These tabs at the top, I actually have it so that I could flip to the monthly calendar. So I'm just able to flip, and I kind of wrote out a whole bunch of stuff in here up until December. This is what happens when you plan so far ahead. But anyway, then I have the social media section, which I am using for my stuff. I need to start working on March. But the social media section I'm actually using for a wrestling podcast that I'm working on with my brother. And I'm able to plan out the Instagram stuff and then all of the podcast ideas that I have for us to do. So I'm able to have that. My boyfriend's also working on a venture and I'm helping him with that, so I have that in here. And then of course anything Chaotic Critic. So this is more of like an archive, and I don't take this, I take this with me sometimes. If any planner comes out with me along with my Stalogy, it is this one. And in between, I am a babysitter, so I have more of a flexibility in my schedule. I will go ahead and add that to, I will go ahead and bring this with me. And I will, you know, when I have some free time, mark in what it is that I need. And that is how I use this one. Now, my last one is my Faith Planner. I'm not gonna lie, I have neglected this bad boy for the second half of February. I love it though. I just haven't decided what book I want to read next. I'm thinking Battlefield of the Mind. That's what I have planned, but I have so many other books, so I'll see. But this is a Happy Planner, the 2019 Faith Planner, and I added expander discs, and this is something that would fit in my bag. This is something I wouldn't mind bringing to church, so I could write in my sermon notes and all that. And I have plenty of paper back here, and I added some tabs back here, another one of those post-it pockets, and then I added in dividers. I do have up until June in here. The monthly is something I'm gonna have to figure out, but as for the daily, what I do is that I don't use it as a daily, so I'm gonna probably end up covering up the month. I use it for the day, and I broke up the whole entire days of the chapters of Battlefield of the Mind. So for Battlefield of the Mind, I didn't necessarily have to start on a particular day of the month. I just had to write in the days. So I'm able to still go back and do that. And what I do is write in what was a highlight to me, and then I added a notes page and put in all that extra stuff. So that is how I use this planner. So as for how many planners I have in my rotation, I have 4, which is my everyday, my faith, my business, and my budget. The one that I use on a weekly basis is all of them, minus my faith one because I told you guys I fell off. But other than that, I do use them regularly, nearly every day. And then my Stalogy I use on a daily basis. I'm actually on my way to work, so I'll be bringing this one with me. And then my business planner I use quite often. And yeah, that's it. That's how I use my planners. I am happy being able to separate things, but I don't think that I have too many pieces going on to where it's still not functional. Everything inside of here is functional. There are no stickers in my business planner at all. Like, there's sticky notes. That's about as cute as it's gonna get, but I don't put any stickers inside of my business planner because I don't really see the need for that. And this is not a planner that I share either with you guys because it's personal. You guys will just have to see the results. So everything else I do share with you guys, but if you would like more on any of these planners, again, check out the links in the description box. I also have my 2019 planner lineup linked in the description box for you guys to check out as well. And of course, there is a corresponding blog post that goes with all of my videos for links and all that stuff in one central location, so check that out too. That wraps it up for this video. I hope that it gave you guys more insight into how I'm using all these planners and how my planner lineup is actually working for me. And here we are entering March 2019. So everything's working. I'm really loving it. I love that I'm able to use different planners and still be able to test things out. But it's really, really working for me, and I don't plan on adding any other planners in here. But it's really, really working, and I'm happy about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out all the links in the description box. My blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.